Hey everyone, Ashley with Evans Behavioral Services here. I recently had some questions about filling out the fieldwork verification, that final fieldwork verification form. So I wanted to come on and just do a brief demonstration of it to help clear up any questions. Start, of course, by entering your name, your BACB ID number, so that you'll find in the BACB gateway under profile. So you'll enter that number and then the start date. So when did you start accruing your fieldwork hours? There we go. And then the end date. So when did you finish accruing those hours? Your fieldwork type, you're going to check either supervised fieldwork if you did the supervised fieldwork, which is the 2,000 hours and 5% of those hours being supervised, or the concentrated supervised fieldwork, that's the 10% of hours being supervised. So check which one of those occurred, your state in which your fieldwork occurred, and the country. And then, so I think the main questions that I've had came here where we enter fieldwork hours. So for these, you're going to take your total number of hours. So for basic math purposes, I'm just going to use exactly 2,000 and subtract the number of supervised hours and the number. So you'll break apart the number of independent hours and the number of supervised hours, and all those combined then should reach the 2,000. So I'm going to say that I completed 1,900 independent hours. So that means 1,900 hours that my supervisor was not there. And then 100 hours where my supervisor was there. That equals exactly 2,000 hours, as you can see right there. Under total fieldwork hours, it auto calculates for you, and then it auto calculates the percentage of your hours supervised. So again, you'll want this number here, this percentage, to be at least 5%. It can be more, that's totally fine. If you had 6% of your hours supervised, no problem. It's just that your minimum needs to be 5%. So you'll want to make sure that those numbers there add up to equal more than 2,000 and at least 5% of those hours supervised. Next, check this box if your fieldwork hours included any prorated hours for partial months. And then your supervisor will enter their name, their certification number, qualification, which is BCBA, BCBA-D, Verified Instructor, or ABPP. So they'll choose one of those, and then they're going to acknowledge that all of this information is correct and sign and date that. And this is a final verification form for if you just have a single supervisor. There is a different form for multiple supervisors. There's one for multiple supervisors in the same agency and multiple supervisors in different companies. So that is the gist of completing this supervision final verification form. Let me know if there are any questions still, if that didn't clear up the confusion in the fieldwork hours, the hours that you enter there. Feel free to subscribe for more resources or check out evansbehavioralservices.com. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you.